Found
here.
it in Los Angeles.
Wow. Now this is Edward
And Gina.
and Gina
And Jake.
and Jake. And
This is how Jake will be through the whole video.
oh, that's all right. We'll get them. And they travel around in this beautiful Volkswagen Westfalia. It's a 1983 and a half. And we're going to take a look at it inside and out. It is gorgeous. So what would you like to tell us about this?
Well, the reason it's a half year is now has a water-cooled engine. So it increased the horsepower by about 11 horsepower. So we're up to 82.
All right. So
They don't go real fast.
So if you want to see the country slowly, this is the way to go.
this is the way to do it. And if you want to do it in a really cool van, this is the way to do it. This is awesome.
And we have done the country twice.
Twice. Wow.
The reason we bought it is so I could ride my bicycle across country.
Oh,
And so my wife and dog
followed you?
Yeah,
followed me.
we were
took
his
care of
SAG
me.
support. We were
All right.
his bedding, his food, his.
Well, that takes a lot of stamina. I really admire you for that. So we're going to go here and take a peek inside, and Jake is going to go probably lay on his bed.
No, he's
Going to get some food. That's the way dogs are. Yep, we're going to get the food. Oh, you are so pretty, Jake. Jake is an 11-year-old.
Shiba Inu.
I've never heard of that.
Really?
I don't think I
Okay.
ever have, but he is beautiful.
Well, he says yes. I know.
Yeah, they usually do, don't they?
Oh, go right ahead. Go right ahead.
So right now it's our living room, bathroom, kitchen setup.
Yeah. Well, your wife was just showing me how the top comes down on the sink and the stove.
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome.
And then we have all important refrigerator.
Oh, yes. That's nice. I like an upright refrigerator. I hate the chest styles.
And our little pantry.
That's good. And I'm sure there must be dog food in there.
There is.
Oh, yes.
He's looking for it. So at night when we want to go to bed,
Oh, that's awesome.
comes down, then we've got another 2-inch foam topper.
Uh-huh.
Put it on there.
Pardon me.
So
That is awesome.
can you say?
Hi, Jay. You have storage up above.
Right. This you can also
Pardon me.
sleep 2 more.
Oh, you
This
can
will
sleep 2 more up there.
fold over.
And that's why you have this pop-up tent type of thing, along with being able to stand up.
Correct.
That's awesome.
Yep.
So what is this back here?
That's our air conditioning.
Oh, awesome! I love it.
Only
Oh, my
works when you're running the engine.
Yeah, unfortunately.
And then the other bad thing is, with only 82 horsepower for the engine, you turn
Yeah.
the air conditioning on and it struggles.
Yeah, I'm sure. Now, is that more storage there to the right?
It is.
Oh, and in the back?
And in the back,
I wanted to work.
so
I wanted to work that one
have
more
our-
year. So I was very upset with this layoff. They walked out our whole department.
our table, but the most important is
Yes.
you're
So it
looking to get dressed in the morning and you need your full
Oh,
length mirror.
it's got that's wonderful.
Hold it for you. You let me know when you want it.
Thank you.
So yes, there's a closet here and then another closet
all the compliance and everything.
in the back.
Oh, that's really nice.
Yep.
You know, I just am amazed at how creative people can become when they build these out to put everything that is absolutely needed in place.
Yeah.
This is awesome. I love that table too. It swings out.
COVID.
Swings out.
Right, and that messed everything up for everybody.
And the government was shut down, so I didn't.
And of course some more storage under here. So you got
Oh, more storage.
More storage everywhere.
Oh, that's awesome.
Storage everywhere.
Retire. That's right.
That is really cool. And then
And there's some people,
electrical
"Oh, I
outlets
live
down
on
here
this."
and more
I'm like,
storage.
You gotta retire. My girlfriend, she was in real estate.
And of
and
course,
she
Jake's
just
bed.
retired, like last year, and I'm like,
Now, does that bed stay
she
under
would
your
complain, like,
bed
you know,
at
when
night?
it would get
It does.
right, when it would
And
get
that
to
makes them feel
dry
really
running
safe
or
and
whatever.
secure, I'm sure.
Well, that's normally where he starts out, and then he makes
Look
his way
at
up
him.
onto the other bed.
Look how beautiful
You've got
he
plenty to
is.
retire
I
on.
just
My
love
girlfriend's
dogs,
like,
can you
"They
tell?
told me I needed,
And
what'd she say? I needed
we'll just take a quick peek up
$450,000
front,
in the bank
just
before I could retire.
kind
I
of
said,
through
"Who told you
the...
that? Who told you that?"
Oh, this is just really, really awesome. And the
Manual,
seats really look comfortable, and it's a manual?
manual transmission,
All right.
no power steering,
Oh,
no power windows,
Oh.
no power locks.
yeah. But that gives you all that exercise.
Oh yes.
Yes. Yes.
I'm a nurse.
Well, thank you so much. What else do I need to know about this?
Five back surgery.
That's about all
That's
there is
about
to
it? Okay.
Pretty
Well,
basic.
thank you so very much, Edward.
You're
I
welcome.
appreciate
What
that.
happened when
And
you had floor
you'll
nurses,
definitely
but
be
you had lots
on
of
within the
aides?
next
The
6
hospital
weeks
I
on
went
my
to, where
YouTube
girlfriends were
channel.
both floor nurses.
Okay,
And
do you have a
on the
card?
ward.
I do, and I'll get one for
Wasn't any
you.
other
So
people
thank
there.
you.
And they had,
welcome.
you know, some
Well, I'm sure everybody who has a van and tries to sleep at night and it's a little warm, we have a nice little extension that also keeps the van secure. Locks right in, but you have a little bar that holds it open. Get some nice ventilation at night. And you can get this at Go Westy.
Okay,
.com.
gowesty.com, which is a perfect fit for your Westfalia here.
Yes, it is.
And that, along with your screen cover, that is a perfect way to stay comfy at night. I don't stay comfy at night the way I am, but that's a great idea. Thank
The
you
other
for
thing
sharing.
we have at night is little battery-operated fans,
I do that also.
which
Many of us I know do that,
Yeah.
and
it lasts a night.
yep. And or USB fans, those are wonderful too. So I really like that. So I'm going to have to see if I can find one.
Right. Not sure if they're made for other makes and models of vehicles other than the VW, but
Well, maybe somebody could fashion something up for me. I
Right.
have a son who is a machinist, so we'll see what he can figure out.
okay.
Who knows? Well, thank you very much for sharing that.